My name's Marshall Peters. I'm the founder and director of Certified Chimney Professionals. We started that about 5 years ago. We're based in State College, Pennsylvania. Actually, we're based in a little tiny village in State College called Lamont, Pennsylvania. It's the home of Penn State University, and I'm proud to have swept chimneys there and cut my teeth on the chimney industry over 20 years ago, based in State College, PA. We sensed a need many years ago of some more technical expertise in training of chimney sweeps that was more reality-based for the common chimney sweep. I mean, common chimney sweeps are not typically those with higher education and engineering degrees and this or that. The common worker who makes the very best chimney sweep tends actually to be more mechanically minded than book smart or the ability to take tests and things like that. They're brilliant men and ladies, and they love working with their hands, and they have the ability to do that. We're so excited to offer certified chimney professionals to the modern chimney sweep who's not being serviced in any other way, to make them a better sweep, to give them the knowledge and the knowledge base they need from which to operate, just to be better. In addition to that, we are able to then also train them in relining with our certification for certified chimney relining, which actually is the nation's only relining certification program. That should have been done 20 years ago, but now finally we've done that. And then we also have a master program for those guys, well, to honor those guys who've been in the industry forever and who don't want to take just another test and say, yes, for the 20th time, I know what glazed creosote is. So we put together a program for them. But our real heart, our real soul, our real passion is for the blue-collar workers who work hard. They love what they do. They love working with their hands. They go home at night. They love their wife. They love their kids. They raise a family. And it's the heart and backbone and soul of America that we serve. And those guys weren't being serviced. And we are able to do that.